quick overview of the CMMS app that we have. So we'll start here with the website. So what you're looking at here is all of the machines that they have in their system. So there's a drop down here where you can pick different lines and you can cycle through different days. As downtime comes in, it shows up here. So you can see here they have downtime. They can delete it, they can add notes, or they can approve that downtime, which they have to do every day. And then as that downtime rolls in, it is added to these reports that they run. So they can see these reports and look at these. And then for the maintenance team, we have their work items. So you can add a work item up here, but basically as the work items come in and they're completed, in the app that I'll show you in a few minutes, you can see the photos here and the notes that the technician put. You can actually see what their estimated time was and when they, how much time it actually took. And then we also have this view where you can see across the plant kind of what's on the schedule for the maintenance team. And then you can also sort of dive into the specific tasks that we have for that, and they can also reschedule it. So this is the app that the maintenance team uses to complete their work orders. So I'll just give you a quick view of it. So basically these are the jobs that he has for today. He's working on Lath 1, on Sionin, and the 12-foot press. So he can see what work he has today. This is who's logged in here, and then this is what he'll be working on the next few days. So we'll go in here and see. So when he gets ready to start that work, he has a few details here. He can go and look at like the previous work that's been done on this machine, and he can also enter his time. So basically once he arrives at the job and he's ready, or at the machine and is ready to do his work, he hits start, and then here are the notes that he put in or his supervisor put in or whatever was reported. There's also a parts list. So from here he can see the parts that he's going to use. He can add new parts, take off parts, and all that. And it also sort of totals up that value here. And as he's doing the work, he just enters his notes here. These are the same notes that you see on the website once the job's completed. And he'll go through add photos, add notes, and then mark the job as complete here. And then they also have the ability to attach manuals. So basically you have this little floating PDF icon. So when those whatever manuals or information they might need about the machine, they're able to add that in here. Yeah, so that pretty much finishes up. Basically he marks it complete, and then it'll show up on here like on Lath 1 here. This job is already complete. Okay, we also have this app, which is an app that sits at the machine. So each machine in the facility has one of these, and then the operator signs in every day to enter their downtime. So as they're working throughout the day, if something pops up, they turn the machine off. They hit this button and it would automatically start running. And then as they finish their downtime and they start the machine back up, they do this, and then they have selection items here. So they can pick whatever it is. Some of these have minor categories. They can say it's an electrical problem. And then they hit done, and it adds it to their list here. Very basic, very straightforward. They also have the ability to quick add if they have a meeting or a lunch break, or they're waiting on a crane, whatever it is. And then at the end of the shift, it pops them up with a short to-do list of items. So, and this is all very easy to change out and modify depending on the customer's need. And then once they're finished, they hit submit, and that's it.